You gotta make this one.
Okay, let's get to work for this easy recipe. We'll start out with half an onion. We'll dice that up nice and finely, and then we'll go ahead and set that aside. I've got 1 jalapeno pepper. Again, I'll dice this up finely. I'll set it aside so I can mix it in with the onions later. I love a little bit of kick inside my chicken. We'll slice up some mushrooms, and I've got some spinach here as well. We'll give this a nice rough chop. It certainly doesn't need to be fine. And now I've got some cooked bacon, which I'll dice up as well and set aside. So I always prepare all of my ingredients first before I move on to my raw chicken. I'm gonna go ahead and tenderize that, have a little bit of fun with my most trustworthy and loyal pan. And then I'll proceed to create a little bit of a pocket in here. So be careful with your knife. We'll trim away a little bit of the chicken first. I like to find the thickest part of the chicken and then create that pocket you'll see here that I'm doing. You'll insert your knife almost to the end of the chicken, but not quite all the way. And that way you have that nice pocket, which we'll be able to stuff our chicken breast with. Now that everything is prepped for this easy recipe, we'll go ahead and saute our vegetables. I'll start out with my onions and hot peppers, add in some garlic. I even had some diced red onions left over that I've tossed in there as well. Next, I'll add in that cooked bacon. And then finally the mushrooms. I'll go ahead and give that a nice quick flip. And there is my boom spice. It's got some great kick. The recipe for that, of course, is also on my YouTube channel. And lastly, I've gone ahead and added in the rough chopped spinach. We'll give that another little shake, set it aside, and make sure we season up our chicken breast as well with my boom spice again. Now I've proceeded to add in some shredded mozzarella cheese over here, and then my nice vegetable mixture. We'll stuff those pockets really full. Once those chicken breasts are nice and stuffed and filled, we'll be able to seal them shut and pull over the little extra flap of the chicken breast to do so. I'll show you again here so you can see it a second time on the other chicken breast. So we'll start out with some cheese and then fill it with the rest of our vegetable mixture. We'll stuff every nook and cranny of this little pocket that we've created, and then simply fold it together and fold over that extra chicken breast flap to seal it. Once the stuffing of the chicken breasts are complete, I go ahead and brush them with a little bit of smokehouse barbecue sauce. This, of course, is optional, but I really like the flavor combination with those vegetables. And then I'll pop it into the oven and bake it at 390 degrees for anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes. There it is. This chicken breast is stuffed, cooked, nice and golden brown, and it is juicy as ever. I'm anxious to slice right into this. Take a look at that chicken breast inside, filled with our stuffing. Normally for a burrito, I'm going to chop and dice that up, but I simply wanted to add this right on top of my burrito with some pickles, a little bit of garlic mayo, and take it whole just like that. I've added some nice smokehouse barbecue sauce again, some more shredded cheese, and I've trimmed off the edges of the chicken breast just to make it a little bit easier to wrap. I'll tell you what, it might be a little bit awkward to roll a burrito and wrap a burrito this way, but it still tastes great. Put that in the pan on medium heat, toast it up, and get that nice little crunchiness to your burrito. Look at the golden brown color. I can't wait until we slice this open right here. Check this out.
Boom! Off the charts, spectacular, everybody. Oh, I'm going right back. Please also remember, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Turn on that notification button so that way when I post a new recipe, you'll be first to see it. You can cook right along with me. Until next time, happy cooking. Boom! This is just delicious.